In this tutorial, we will learn how to implement drag and drop functionality, and we will apply it in a simple form with a text box, which we can drag and drop a file and its content will be transferred to the text box. We have a form here with a text box. Let's just check some properties. So, scroll bars both, and it is set to multi-line. And when we check the code, it is still empty. So let's just test first so that we could differentiate it. So we have a file here with a beautiful code. Let's just drag. So you can see the cancel button icon or stop icon, something like that. And now let's start the coding. So first, let's allow the form to accept drag and drop event. Then next, let's implement the event. So drag enter. So we will just set the effect. So now let's check. So you can see the plus icon when we drag it. So it's working so far. So next, we will process the data being dropped on the form. So we will add an event, drag drop. So we will get the data that is being dropped. So basically, it is the path or the file name. So we will read the file using system.io. So first, let's check if the text box is empty. And we will just append the text. So we will use file read.all text. So let's check. So there you go. It's working great. So we have another set of files here in this folder. So it's working. Next is what if the user drag and drop a folder. So we should handle this. So basically, we will just add the checking if the path is a directory. And then we will add a for each loop. And we will get the files in the directory. Let's just copy this. So let's just check. So let's just open those files so that we can see its content. So there it is. So let's just drag the file, the folder. Oh, it's working. So there you go. We can drag a file and we can drag a folder.